In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use EA on Metatrader 5. First, a quick overview. An expert advisor, or EA, is a trading program that can open and close positions for you according to predefined rules. It can save time and remove emotion, but it will only perform as intended if you install it properly and configure it with care. Always remember that automated trading still carries risk. To begin, you need the EA file. EAs usually come as .ex5 files, which are ready to run, or .mq5 source files, which Metatrader will compile. Download your EA from your broker, the official MQL5 marketplace, or another trusted provider, and make sure it's designed for MT5, not MT4. Next, install it in Metatrader 5. Open MT5, click File, then Open Data folder. In the window that appears, open the MQL5 folder, then Experts. Paste your EA file into this Experts folder. You can restart MT5 to load it, or simply right-click inside the Navigator panel and choose Refresh. If it's in .mq5 file, the platform will compile it automatically and you'll see it under Navigator inside Expert Advisors. Now attach the EA to a chart. Open the symbol and time frame the EA is designed for, such as EURUSD on H1. In Navigator, find your EA and drag it onto the chart. A settings window will pop up so you can adjust parameters. Configure the EA in the Inputs tab. Set lot size, stop loss, take profit, and any strategy settings the EA requires. Start conservatively until you understand how it behaves. In the common or safety settings, ensure permissions match your intent, such as allowing live trading. Before it can trade, enable auto trading on the main toolbar. The button must be green. Also confirm that automated trading is allowed in the EA settings and in the platform's options. Without this, the EA will not execute trades. Confirm it's running by looking at the chart icon. A smiley face or active status indicates it's working. A sad or disabled icon means it isn't. Check the Experts and Journal tabs for messages if it doesn't start. Test before risking real money. Run it on a demo account or use the strategy tester in MT5 to see historical and forward performance. This helps you avoid losses from unsuitable settings or poor strategies. Once active, the EA will monitor the market, place trades, and manage stops and targets automatically. You don't need to trade manually, but it's wise to watch performance, keep logs, and pause the EA if market conditions change.